Right, we've just planted some radishes, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we want to put a little name tag in, but we don't want to use those plastic ones, do we?
No.
Because they're not very nice. We don't know what they look like, and we have to pay for them in the shops as well,
Yeah.
which seems silly. But also they get lost and they get stuck in the soil, don't they?
Yeah.
So this is something we do, don't we? Which is good. Other people probably thought about it years ago, but we've only just thought of it, or I've only just thought of it. So I thought I'd share it in case it's useful to anyone else. You get a stick and you get a knife, don't you? But you don't get a knife because you're not allowed to use knives yet, are you? And then you just scrape. Any old stick will do, won't it? As long as it's tough enough and thick enough to be able to write something on. And then you just scrape the end off. Like that, so it's clean and flat. And then we just write on it, don't we? What did we just plan?
Can I do it?
What should we write?
Can I write
You write it, yeah, you can write it. You need to write the word radish.
Rad is.
Rad-ish. Brilliant. There we go. And then we'll just plant that in there where the radishes are. And it looks much nicer than the plastic ones. Looks more natural. And if you want to use it again later on for something else, we can just scrape that bit off and write something else. Job done, isn't it?